Find out the total distance. Toshi is the inner girl, if I'm right. Toshi ran, yeah, inner track. So who ran the longest? So we have already calculated Akshi's. Let's look at Toshi's now. Same funda. First is what kind of structure are we looking at? Yes, rectangle. So some of you might not be okay with drawing every time, but get used to it. It's a very important process whenever you're doing any question. It can be any subject, even social also. I would prefer learning social through diagrams, teaching social through diagrams. Now, a rectangle property is the opposite sides are equal and the angles at the corners are 90 degree. And since she is running the inner track, so this is 60, 30 and 30. And she ran 7 rounds, sorry. So these are all set of information that I need. Now the working. So to figure out the answer, what do? You figure out the perimeter of inner track. Or if you guys want to call it as rectangle, that's also okay. Inner track, which is a rectangle basically. So this will be equal to sum of all sides. Again, it's left to you guys what you want to do. As in, if you want to use a particular formula, then use that. So on substituting the values, so what we have here is 60 plus 30 plus 60 plus 30. 90, 180 meters. Now, distance covered and 7 rounds will be equal to what? Yes, will be equal to 7 times the perimeter of inner track. So this will be equal to 7 times 180, right? So this is around, I'll write it over here, 1260 meters. Now, by just running this, who has covered more distance is the question. So this person has ran 1100 meters, while this person has ran 1260 meters. Okay, I think I didn't do any silly mistake. 7 rounds and this is 5 rounds. So 70, 70, 40, 40. I'm just checking because this is how many rounds? 5 rounds. Yeah, this is right. There's a huge difference. That's why I'm a bit confused. Okay. It's right. So the question here as of now is who ran the. So this is finally conclusion. This is not Akshi. This is, I think, Toshi. No, wait. Yeah, Toshi only, right? We're looking at Toshi. Yes. Toshi ran 1260 meters in total. So finally, what do you want to conclude? Toshi ran more than Akshi, right? That is the question. Who ran a longer distance? So we have Toshi who has ran the longer distance.